Hello my dear students, please follow the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19. Wash your hands regularly with soap, water or sanitizer. Avoid going crowded places. Now I am here to revise the lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind by Albert Einstein. You have already studied. Then I think all of you by heart the question answer which I have already given, isn't it? Devananda, have you studied? Yes, all of you studied. Then now let's see. Then here I have written few questions on the board. For the examination point of view, from the lesson, you will get an extract. Based on the extract, you will get 4 questions. Then you should read the extract, and based on the extract, you have to answer the following questions. That question carries 4 marks. Then if you read the lesson well, then only you can answer the question well. That means when you are in lower classes, usually what you are doing is, then I have usually given a few question answer from each lesson. Then usually you by heart the question answer. Now as you are in class 9, it's not possible. You have to attend the questions from board. So what you should do? Then you have to read the lessons several times. And by heart the question answer which I have already given, then only you are able to attend the examination in a better way. Then from each lesson, you will get one extract. That question carries 4 marks. Then you will get one 2 mark question. You have to attempt 2 mark questions. Then again you have to attempt 8 mark questions. Then if you have thorough knowledge about the lesson, then only you are able to answer the question. That's why I have written one extract here, then one 2 mark question here, and last one 8 mark question here. Then let's revise the lesson. A Truly Beautiful Mind, the biography of Albert Einstein. Then he was born on 14th March 1879. His mother considered him as a freak because his head seemed too much large. Later he joined in school. His headmaster once said, whatever profession he has taken in future, he will never succeed. Then he went to a high school in Munich, but he hated the school. He hated the disciplinary method of that school, so he left the school. Later he joined in a school in Switzerland. It was more liberal than Munich. He was highly gifted in physics and mathematics. After schooling, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. While he was studying in the university, he felt a special interest in his fellow student. What was her name? Mileva Maric. She was also very intelligent. Both of them worked together and brought their work on relativity to a victorious conclusion that we have studied. He got a job in 1902 in a as a technical expert. During that time, actually he was developing his own ideas. Later, he brought his special theory of relativity. What was that special theory of relativity, can you say? Time and distance are not accurate. From this followed the world's most famous formula, E equals mc square. He wished to marry Mileva Merrick, but his mother was against it because she was 3 years older than her son, and also she was too intelligent. So Einstein postponed the marriage. But after a few years, they married, but the marriage faltered. And they divorced. Later, he married his cousin Elsa. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity. Then we have seen he became a strong promoter of stopping the production and proliferation of nuclear weapons. That we have seen he was deeply shaken by the bombing in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So he was deeply shaken, and so he wrote a letter to the United Nations to form a world government. This shows that he became a strong promoter of stopping the production and proliferation of nuclear weapons. Then he died at the age of 76 in 1955. These are the important points we have seen in the lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind. A truly beautiful mind means Einstein. Now, then he was a humanitarian. The world remembers him as a world citizen. Now the world remembers him as a world citizen. These are the important points we have seen in that lesson. Now, let's discuss the important questions. Let's see the question part 10. Listen. A truly beautiful mind. Then here I have written one extract. Then for the examination point of view, you will get one extract. Then you read the extract. That means you should read the lesson carefully. Then only you are able to answer this question. Listen, here I have written 5. But where are her wheels? Do you remember this line? If you read the lesson, it is very easy for you to answer the questions. Gauri, can you say the answer? Who is the speaker? Who is the speaker? Albert Einstein is the speaker. Next one. Who is her here? But where are her? Her here means Albert Einstein's newborn sister. Next one. Why does the speaker say these lines? The speaker said, Einstein said, when he saw his newborn sister. Then from this sentence we can understand that Albert Einstein loved mechanical toys. So he said, where are her wheels? Then next question, name the lesson. Which lesson? A truly beautiful mind. Now it is very easy for you to answer the fourth question, name the lesson. But you studied only one lesson. Then after completing 6 or 7 lessons, very difficult for you to identify the lesson. So read the lesson carefully. Then only you are able to answer this type of question easily. Next type of question, 2 mark questions. How did Einstein become a gifted amateur violinist? Do you remember? Hriday, can you say the answer? In the first part of the lesson, we have seen Albert Einstein started to learn violin to fulfill the wishes of his mother. Then, throughout his life, he remained as an amateur violinist. The last one, Einstein was a peculiar child. Justify. That question carries 8 marks. I have not given the same question in your notebook. But for the examination point of view, you will get this type of question. How will you answer it? Then you know the lesson, you read the lesson, Then I have already given a few question answer in your notebooks. All the points already included in it. Then if you by heart all the question answer, then easily you can answer this question because already all points already included in that question answer. Then can you say Einstein was a peculiar child? Yes, Einstein was a peculiar child. So his mother considered him as a freak. That means his head seemed too large. Then he started to talk when he was 2.5 years old. At his early age, he was not at all good in studies. These are the important points you should include in the last questions. Then do one thing, read the lesson several times and by heart the question answer which I have given. Then you are able to answer all the question answer. Thank you all.